So this is Quideo number 4, advanced question. And part A asks to find the margin of error for this poll if we want 95% confidence in our estimate of the percent of American teens who have misrepresented their age. So if we just go ahead and use the margin of error formula, which is plus or minus d star times the square root of p multiplied by 1 minus p over n. So then we plug in all our values. Our z star is going to be 1.96 because of the 95% confidence interval. And then our mean is that they're given to us, that it's 49% of those teens. So we plug that in for our p-value. And our sample size, n, is 799 US teens. So we go ahead and plug that in, and we use our calculator, and we get plus or minus 0.0347 for our margin of error. And then part B asks to explain what the margin of error means in context. It can be said that with 95% confidence that the true proportion of teens that misrepresent their age online to gain access to websites and online services is within these two numbers, 0.4553 and 0.5247, and that's found by taking the mean number they gave us of 49 and adding and subtracting the margin of error of 0.0347, and that gives us our two values that our mean value is going to be between. Part C asks, if we only need to be 90% confident, will the margin of error be larger or smaller? Explain. The margin of error will be smaller because at 90% confidence, there is a smaller range within the confidence interval. If there is a smaller confidence interval, there is a smaller margin of error.